This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon.
Alok, before you part the words, let me give two messages to the students.
Yes, sir.
And
That was my
depending-
question. In fact, no.
Okay, great. Okay. I always say in Reliance, as I told you that we have 25 to 30 management trainees. Every Friday, I spend time with them, 1.5 hours, because 3 hours they have to meet every Friday in the evening. 1.5 hours they have to spend time for the subject matters, so they discuss among themselves. And remaining 1.5 hours, I interact with them. I talk to them other than the subject.
Okay.
Several things, of course, I tell them. But one thing I tell them always is during your training, treat yourself as a wet clay. Wet clay can be molded the way you want. And that wetness gets evaporated every day. By the time you complete your training, the wet clay has turned into a dry clay. If you could not mold yourself well in time, and if you want to mold yourself once the wetness is evaporated, you will get the dry clay will get broken. What is one thing? Whether you are a student or budding company secretary. In the budding company secretary also, I told you that start your professional journey with utmost humility as if you are a toddler in the profession. Second, I always tell my management trainees that they should carry 4 flags with them. The first flag is the organization under which they are getting the training. Say, for example, in our case, they are getting trained with Reliance Industries Limited. I said, you are carrying the flag of RIL, Reliance Industries Limited. It is having a high image among the world. And you and me have no right to cause any dent to its image because of our conduct and performance or whatever it is. The second flag is of the profession under which you are going to become a professional, that is of ICSI. 50 years where we are reached because of the passionate work of our predecessors. So we have no right to cause any dent to the image of the institution, that is ICSI. Third flag, what they are carrying is the person under whom they are getting trained. I used to say that, look, with a great difficulty, I could establish myself and have my own image in the profession. You have no right to cause a dent to my image. Last but not the least, you as an individual has your own image. Please keep it up and enhance that. This is my final parting message.
Sir, really amazing. I really don't have too many words, not just to flatter you or because we interviewed you. This is really very special because it's very difficult to find a very senior member with rich experience coming down to the level of a student or a young professional and talking with them with the equal footing and sharing all your anecdotes, sharing your experiences right from the student days, what happened in your company and that Lalaji CMD story. It's really amazing. And you've been very frank and open, sir, which I think will be a big surprise and also a very great experience for whoever is watching this. We really thank you for your time, sir. It was really great that you spent time for this. There'll be many people who will be inspired just by watching this. Just this interview will have huge learnings for them, and the time which you've spent will inspire thousands of lives. So we really want to thank you for your time, and we look forward to interacting with you in the future also.
Thanks very much, Alok, and I'm sure that all your audience will get benefited with this thing. I will be treat myself as blessed with. Thank you very much. Long live ICSI and long live the profession. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.